Ever wondered how to assess and address hail or storm damage on your roof? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to another informative video. Today, we're tackling this topic head-on. First things first, hail or storm damage isn't always visible from the ground, so don't be fooled into thinking your roof is in tip-top shape just because it looks okay from your backyard. Step 1 in the assessment process is to safely get a closer look. You can use binoculars, or hire a professional to inspect the roof for you. Remember, safety first. Step 2 involves identifying the signs of damage. Hail damage often presents as random dents or pockmarks on your shingles. Storm damage, on the other hand, may result in missing shingles or shingles that are cracked, torn, or curled at the edges. For step 3, take note of the damage. Document each dent, pockmark, or missing shingle for insurance purposes. Snap some photos if you can. This will make your claim process smoother. Now let's talk about addressing the damage. If you've got a few minor dents or missing shingles, you might be able to handle this yourself. But if the damage is extensive or if you're not comfortable doing the repairs, it's time to call in the professionals. Remember, delaying repairs can lead to more serious issues down the line, like leaks or structural damage. So, it's best to address any issues promptly. When choosing a roofing contractor, look for one that's licensed, insured, and has a good reputation. Like RonOvations, for instance. They have a proven track record of providing quality roof repair and replacement services. Now that you know how to assess and address hail or storm damage on your roof, you're well equipped to keep your roof in good condition. Before we wrap up, remember, every roof is unique. What works for one might not work for another. So, always consult with a professional if you're unsure. Thank you for tuning in to this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. We regularly post videos packed with valuable information. Until next time, this is your go-to resource for all things home improvement. Keep your roof above your head and keep learning with us. Cheers.